Meaning of disrespectfully.
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 Disrespectfully. Disrespectfully means showing a lack of respect or rudeness towards someone or something. It can be demonstrated through various behaviors such as ignoring, interrupting, or speaking in a condescending tone. When someone behaves disrespectfully towards others, it can cause hurt feelings, damage relationships, and harm individual or group self-esteem. It can also lead to conflicts and escalate into more serious problems if left unaddressed. Therefore, it is important to treat others with respect and dignity to facilitate positive interactions, build trust, and create a harmonious community.